In this video, we are going to explore the transfer databases of all the NACEP accredited or affiliated institutions in Idaho. What's helpful is that over half of these institutions use something called the transfer equivalency system, so they will all essentially work the same way. We're going to take a quick look at the institutions that don't use TES as well, but let's start with TES. Each institution can customize the info at the top here, so I encourage you to review it. Also, a few of the institutions have landing pages for the product that give some basic instructions, so that's also useful. What we're going to do is start by going to the transfer page of the institution that the student might transfer their credit to, and then using whichever navigation option you prefer, I would use the search box, look for the institution the credits will be coming from. It absolutely matters that you make sure you use the correct institution's database, because not all courses will transfer the same way to each institution. You can't use just one database. Before we get started, I want to point out this feature here, the Add View My List. This allows you to keep track of the equivalencies you've looked up as you go. Once you've built your list, you can download a spreadsheet or send it to someone, like the student. So let's click on Search. When the box comes up, you'll see under the course code field that there is an option for transfer course and equivalent course. Transfer course is for when you know the course the student plans to take, or likely that they've already taken. Equivalent course is for when you are helping a student plan and looking to see what course they should take to meet a specific requirement. Let's say your student took a biology course at CWI and they want to know how it will transfer to U of I. So there. If you get more than one result, you can take a look at the begin end columns to make a little more sense of what you're seeing. You can also feel free to reach out. So now let's say your student wants to study biology at U of I and they are looking for an equivalent to the next course in the series at CWI, which they found using the U of I degree plan for biology. This is where we will click equivalent course and then put the U of I course in the search box instead. Let's add that course to your list, and there you have it. Now, really quickly, here are the other two. CEI directs you to the state database, coursetransfer.idaho.gov. You put in the institution and the course the student completed, and it will return equivalencies for the other institutions if the institution has one. This tool works best for GEM courses. North Idaho College's database, you can filter by Idaho, select the institution the credit is coming from, and then it will bring up a table that I suggest using your in-page search function to look up courses in.